Good morning, children, and welcome back to our online class of computer studies. Children, last class we were discussing chapter 3. The name of the chapter was Computer Virus. And in this, I told you what exactly is a virus, how it enters in our computer, and how it affects. What are the various types of virus and how they harms or they affect us. So these things we have learned in our previous classes. So children, as per as the previous class or previous videos, what we understood is how many types of virus are there. There are basically 5 different types of virus. So number 1, sweeper, isn't it, which sweeps all the files. Number 2, malware, malicious software. Number 3, worms. Number 4, Trojan horse. And number 5 is spyware, isn't it? So children, what we have learned, types of virus and their functions, their ways of attacking or destroying the computer and disturbing us to do normal work. So these things we have learned in our previous class. So children, today we are going to learn about steps to prevent virus. Steps to prevent virus. So how to prevent virus so that it should not come in our computer, it should not affect us to do normal work. Okay children, so today our topic is steps to prevent virus. So what are the different steps? Number one is external devices, isn't it? We usually, what we do is we copy some songs, some games, some movies, some like documents from additional source, from external source. That may be CD, maybe pen drive, maybe memory card, or maybe we can use data cables. So these are also one source through which virus enters in our computer. So we should stop the external devices to be connected. Okay, basically the storage device. So first way or steps to prevent viruses to enter in our computer. So second one, download. See children, in internet we get lots of free downloads, free antivirus, free songs, free movies, free games, so many free things, and we, the human being, we attract whenever we see a word free, isn't it? And what we do is we download, install and play, say suppose games. But what happens when you are playing, you are enjoying, but the side by side the virus is also coming gradually, slowly, and it start its work. Okay, and not on the same day, but maybe after 2 or 3 or maybe 1 month, okay, maybe 2 months, you will get the effect of virus. So we should stop unnecessary download, okay, if required. Suppose some application that require you for your educations or maybe for your work, you can download, okay, but unnecessary don't download, otherwise with the downloaded file virus also enters. Okay, so this is also one of the steps to prevent virus. So first step, external devices. Second, downloads. Third, email attachment. Email attachment. Sometime through emails you get some attachment, some files you receive some file. So whenever you receive some file from external persons or maybe from your friends, relatives or someone to whom you know, but you get the files through emails, you should scan that. Don't download directly. Okay, you have to be very careful when you are working with attachment files, because you don't know from which source it came. Maybe the person who has sent this email, okay, in his or her computer there are full of virus, and that virus through the attachment like worms and enter in our computer. So when you download the attachment, you have to be very careful. Okay, children. So this is step 3. Now see step 4. Restrict access to your system. You have to restrict access to your system. That means you should provide password to your system, password to your computer. It should not be allowed to use by anyone. Okay, because you don't know what kind of person is using that. Okay, maybe the person is creating the virus. Okay, now I mean creating, okay, not downloading or bringing from some other source, but creating. There are some system startup virus which we can create by simply creating a batch file. Okay, some piece of code is there. If you write in a notepad and save as a batch file, a virus can be. Okay, and that slowly it will be like multiplying itself and destroying the systems. So you have to be very careful. Okay, you have to restrict the access to your system. That means your computer, your system should be accessed by the person whom you trust, or maybe you yourself. Okay, but don't allow any other person. That's why there is an option password. Okay, we can apply password to our system. This is 4th point. Okay, so 5th point, install antivirus. So as virus work is to destroy, same way to kill this virus, to remove this virus, we have antivirus. So antivirus are the program which are used for constructive purpose, which are used to destroy the virus. So we should install the antivirus and we should scan our system. Okay, and if we find any virus, we should remove or delete that virus. That means installation of antivirus is must. We should do that. So children, what are the steps to prevent the virus? Number 1, external device, don't connect CD, pen drive or memory card, okay, without scanning. Download, even if you're downloading something, you should download from genuine website. Otherwise, along with the free download, you get free virus also. Email attachment, whenever someone is sending you email, be careful to download the attachment. First scan it, then download. Restrict access to your system, don't allow your system to be used by any other persons whom you don't know. So always provide a password. And 5th point, install antivirus. You should install a genuine antivirus which should work, which should identify the virus and delete the virus. So this is about steps to prevent virus. So now let us learn about what is antivirus and how it works. Okay, so children, see this. So children, see what exactly is antivirus. As just now we have learned that to prevent virus to enter in our computer, antivirus installation is also must. So let me write here. Antivirus. Antivirus work is to kill the virus, to detect the virus and destroy the virus. So antivirus installation is must in every computer, every system. There should be antivirus, because by one or other source the virus enter in our computer and that virus should be detected, that virus should be deleted only by antivirus. Okay, like when we people, we suffer from some disease. Okay, what we take? Antibiotic, isn't it? Antibiotic we need to take, that's the medicines. Why? Because it kills the biotic organisms which destroy us, like bacteria and all. Okay, in the same way antivirus work is to destroy the virus from the computer systems. Okay, now how to get this antivirus? Antivirus we need to purchase. There are some options, there are so many websites which tell you that you can download free antivirus. But do you think today's time anything is free? No, nothing is free. If someone is telling you that this thing is for free, that means they are making you fool, they have some other intention. In the same way, if the website is saying that this antivirus is free download, you can download it freely and install in your computer, that means there is something. Okay, what is that? When you download that antivirus, along with the antivirus, virus will also come, but that is invisible. And in hidden mode, what you do is you install the antivirus. It will work for 2-3 days. After that, the virus activate and start showing its work. Antivirus will stop in that time. Okay, so that's why it is said that if you want to use antivirus, you should use the genuine antivirus, which should be recognized and authenticate. Authenticate means it should have some serial key. It should be licensed from the company. Okay, so there are so many antivirus available, isn't it? Like Kaspersky, Quick Hill, McAfee, Norton, so many are there. This antivirus we need to purchase, we need to pay, and you will get the antivirus for either 1 year or maybe 3 years, but not more than that. Antivirus you won't get for lifetime, because viruses are also different types. Okay, that's why we need to renew the antivirus so that it should boost with new energy, so that it will kill or it will destroy the virus which are entered in our systems. So this antivirus we need to purchase, we have to pay that, and after paying you get a single user or maybe 3 users. It's not that one antivirus you purchased and that you can install in so many computers, not possible at all. For each and every individual computer you need a single antivirus. So once you install antivirus, that means first part you need to install, second part you need to scan the system, isn't it? Scanning means it will check the virus from each and every partition, each and every drive, each and every storage area. Okay, even each and every single files and folder will be checked for virus. So once the system is scanned up, then third options comes, either you can delete or you can make a quarantine. Quarantine means you can shift somewhere else for recovery. Maybe you have an important file, but that file is detected with virus. You can shift that file to quarantine. That means it will be recovered, then you can use it later on. But right now it will not affect you. Okay, and if you think that particular file or particular applications are not at all useful, they are only for destructive purpose, you can directly delete it. So children, antivirus, they help us to prevent the virus to enter in our systems. Antivirus we need to purchase. After purchasing, install it. Installation, then you need to scan. After scan, you need to delete. And periodically, means maybe a month, maybe a year, okay, based on the type you have purchased, you need to update also. You need to update your antivirus. Update means it will be more boost up with new energy. Okay, so that any new virus which enter in our computer system, that will also be detected and deleted. Okay, so for antivirus you have to remember these 4 different points: installation, scanning, deletions and updations. Okay, so children, here in this chapter we learned 2 different things. First, the virus destructive program. Second, the antivirus constructive programs. Virus, our normal work, our normal functioning with computer is disrupt. Okay, whereas antivirus, it detect the virus and either repair or delete the virus, because some files are important, so we can repair also. For repair, what we do is we shift to quarantine. Clear children? Understood this one? Okay, so about computer virus we have talked, we have discussed in this chapter.